Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the Vitaliq Calcium Balm, a product that claims to reduce wrinkles, restore facial volume, and improve skin elasticity. They market it as a multi-purpose balm you can use anywhere on your face, even over makeup, and the website shows thousands of glowing reviews and before and after photos that are supposed to prove its effectiveness. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or websites shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading marketing. Now, starting with the product itself, some of the claims immediately seem unrealistic. The balm is said to restore volume using calcium, work on a cellular level, and even include a unique ingredient called REBORNIC. But calcium applied to the skin doesn't penetrate deeply enough to rebuild skin volume or elasticity, and there's no scientific evidence supporting REBORNIC as a recognized skincare compound. Collagen and elastin are also listed as active ingredients, but as large molecules, they can't truly penetrate the skin to restore firmness. They mostly just act as moisturizers. Adenosine does have some limited anti-wrinkle benefits, but only in carefully tested formulations, and glutathione's absorption through the skin is poor. Essentially, while some of the ingredients are real, the claims about plumping and restoring volume are exaggerated. Another major red flag is the so-called before and after images on the site. They look overly smooth and almost too perfect to be real. I ran them through an AI image detection tool, and the results showed a 99% likelihood that the images were AI generated. This suggests the company may be using synthetic visuals to exaggerate results instead of showing real customer transformations. Authentic skincare results are usually subtle and gradual, not flawless computer-generated images. The website itself also raises concerns. They only provide an email contact, no phone number, no physical address, and WHOIS data shows the site was registered very recently, in January 2025. A legitimate professional skincare company would usually have a longer history and more complete contact information. On top of that, there are no essential pages like About Us, privacy policy, terms and conditions, or a detailed refund policy. These are standard for trustworthy websites because they give transparency about the company, explain how customer data is handled, and outline what to do if a purchase doesn't work out. Without these, there's no way to verify the legitimacy of the brand or protect yourself as a buyer. Lastly, while the product is also listed on Amazon, it only has 2 reviews there, and both are extremely vague. One says, "Easy to use, goes on smooth," and the other just says, "I love it." There's no real detail about how the product was used or what results the users saw. Compared to the thousands of glowing reviews on the official site, this inconsistency strongly suggests that many of the website's testimonials could be fabricated. So, in conclusion, while it may not be a 100% scam, Vitaliq Calcium Balm raises multiple serious concerns. The scientific claims are questionable, the before and after images are likely AI generated, the website lacks transparency, and the reviews on third-party platforms are minimal and vague. It's always best to be cautious, do your research, and consult a professional before trying products that make bold anti-aging claims.